Hey guys, so here we're going to go through my 5th favorite item that I got from my Amazon reviews that got me free items. So, it is a portable handheld vacuum, and I really like it. I've enjoyed it, I've appreciated it, and I cleaned up my second video's foot shavings from that callus remover that I have. So I thought I'd go through and do this as well, because I feel like it's important, and it's just something I want to get off my list, even if it's not. So this thing's cool because it charges with this. Got the battery right there. You see it like that? It's fully charged right now. It's got a light. So that's not exactly the best. It's useless kind of in my opinion. I don't really use it, but you know, for easy and fast cleanups on, like, you know, a minimal scale, this is really good. I enjoy it. Throw this on right there. You got a little extender, and I don't know what the word is for that. What do you call that? A condenser? Or something like that. I don't know. I don't even know what this is, but it came with it. Feels weird. Oh, okay. I get it. So, yep. Check out the link in the description below to get the person that got it for me for free. Thanks for checking out this video, guys. Hope you liked it. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. But, you know, subscribe below, guys. Thanks. Till next time, we're gonna do another video soon.